Alright, in this video, I'm breaking down the top-rated credit cards for groceries. So let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Coming in hot at number 1, we've got the American Express Gold Card. This one earns a solid 4 times membership rewards points at US supermarkets on up to $25,000 per year. It also gets you 3 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or through AMEX travel. Add in some sweet dining perks, and this card is a dream for grocery lovers who also enjoy dining out and traveling. Next up at number 2 is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. This card is a cashback beast, offering 6% back at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 in spending annually. After that, it drops to 1%. You also get 3% cash back at US gas stations and 1% on everything else. While it has 0 annual fees for the first year, from the second year, you'll need to pay $95. But honestly, if you're a big grocery spender, the savings on groceries alone can easily cover that fee. Finally, at number 3, we've got the Capital One Savor Cash Rewards Credit Card. This one gives you 3% cash back at grocery stores and a solid 4% on dining, all with no annual fee. But heads up, if you shop at superstores like Walmart or Target, you won't get the elevated rate. This card is perfect for those who stick to traditional grocery stores. At the end of the day, each of these cards brings something unique to the table, and the best one really depends on how you shop for groceries. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.